The poisoned chalice. How evolution's lie erodes the Pope's church. The Catholic Church claims roots in Peter's rock. Popes guide it as the vicars of Christ. Billions follow its teachings on faith and morals. Yet modern ideas invade. Evolution stands chief among them. It twists Genesis into myth. Secular lies follow. They weaken doctrine. This corruption started slowly. Now it spreads. Darwin launched the attack in 1859. He wrote on the origin of species. It claimed life changed over millions of years. Random chance drove it. The church first held firm. Popes defended creation. Genesis described 6 days of work. God formed Adam from dust, Eve from his rib. Change came in 1950. Pope Pius V released Humani Generis. He permitted the study of human body evolution. God infused the soul directly. This opened a door. It mixed science with faith. Critics saw compromise. Biblical literalism faded. Pope John Paul II pushed further. In 1996, he addressed the Pontifical Academy of Sciences. He called evolution more than a hypothesis. He praised scientific progress. Yet he ignored death before sin. Genesis places death after Adam's fall. Evolution demands it before humans. Pope Francis sealed the shift. In 2014, he spoke at the Academy. He said, "Evolution fits creation. The Big Bang requires no supernatural intervention." He echoed secular views. God starts the process. Nature runs alone. This view accepts atheism's tools. It rejects young Earth dates. Science sets the age of the universe at 13.8 billion years. Bible timelines point to 6,000 years. Evolution brings other poisons. It links to atheism. Darwin's theory needs no creator. Richard Dawkins calls it a blind watchmaker. Popes now nod to this. They blend theistic evolution. God guides chance, but chance denies design. Irreducible complexity in cells defies it. The bacterial flagellum works like a motor. Remove one part, it fails. Secularism creeps in next. Vatican II ran from 1962 to 1965. It modernized worship. Latin Mass declined. Ecumenism grew. Some say it invited liberalism. Pope Francis fights inequality. He critiques capitalism. This mirrors socialism. Karl Marx rejected God. His ideas fuel state control. The church once condemned them. Now it softens. Lies compound the rot. Media twists papal words. In 2014, headlines claimed Francis backed evolution fully. They ignored soul creation. Atheists cheer. They use it to mock faith. Inside the church, dissent grows. Priests teach evolution in schools. Catechisms adapt. Genesis becomes allegory. The cost is clear. Faith declines in Europe. Pew data from 2018 notes that 18% of young adults identify as Catholic. Secular education pushes evolution. It erodes belief in miracles. Adam and Eve turn symbolic. Original sin weakens. True Catholics resist. They hold young earth views. Groups like Colby Center defend creationism. They cite church fathers. Augustine read Genesis literally. Aquinas built on it. The Pope's church must purge this. Reject evolution's lie. Affirm God's direct hand. Ban secular blends. Return to bedrock truth. Only then does it stand firm. Please like and subscribe.